Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some super soft quality Madura Chungudi sarees. Very traditional pattern saree, but we are going to see nice, slightly trendy designs, very different designs. It's not going to be the typical Chungudi variety designs. It's going to be a bit different designs, but the prints are all very lovely. But the material will be 100 counts and it's super soft quality. You don't need to actually starch these kind of sarees for home wash because it will already be slightly thick, so you don't need to actually starch it when you wear it for the home purpose. Only when if you're wearing it for outside, you can just do a mild starch for these sarees to have the stiffness. And all the sarees which I'm going to show you today are just 5.5 meters. They don't carry blouse. It's only the sarees, and the height of these sarees are all above 45 inches. Even really tall people can wear this saree, and the price is going to be somewhere from 580 to 620. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 The number will be flashing throughout in the video. So you just take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 Come on, let's start seeing the lovely sarees. This is 100 count Sungudi saree. Very soft material, but in the Sungudi saree we have a really different kind of prints this time. Lovely prints we have got. This is a violet with a pink color combination. Beautiful design. Both the sides we have a beautiful star pattern border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful wax dyed print. This is being done with the wax. It's a very tedious process actually, these kind of printings, but very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the saree, a beautiful pallu, and the price of this saree is 620. In the same pattern we have some lovely color combinations. I'll show you one by one the color combinations alone. I'm not going to open all the sarees. I'm just going to show you the colors. Probably you can have a closer picture also. This is a brown with mustard color combination. Have a closer look. It's a mustard with a brown color combination. Beautiful, same pattern design. Lovely pattern, beautiful one. The next is going to be again a dark coffee brown with a pink color this is more of a reddish pink or dark tomato pink, that kind of a shade, in dark brown shade. And all these are the same wax print Sungudi sarees. Whenever we show a closer picture, please take a screenshot there. Beautiful color. The price of the saree is 620. The next in the same lot is going to be a lovely violet. You'll have a closer look of that. A beautiful violet, dark one. Lovely violet with white color combination. Since it's all the same design, I don't want to open and show everything. I'll just show you the colors. This is a lighter shade. Whoever prefers some light shades, they can prefer this. It's more of a mud color shade. Exactly a mud color shade. Beautiful one with white color print. Next is going to be a lovely blue, navy blue with lighter blue shade. Beautiful color. Have a closer look. Beautiful color, lovely pattern. The next is going to be a pink with white. Slightly a darker pink, but it's not too bright. It's not any too bright color. It's a very subtle and beautiful color. Probably if you like to see one more saree, open and see, I'll show you this. So this is going to be the body of the saree. Beautiful color. Lovely design. Yeah, this is how it's going to be. Very pretty color, pink with white. The next is going to be Badamalli with white. If you think this is going to be better, I'll show you like this. Badamalli with white. Beautiful color combination, lovely design, beautiful pattern. The next is going to be brown. A very lovely brown with white color combination in the same pattern. Lovely color combo. These are all wax dyed. Very tedious process. Very beautifully done. It's all handmade works. This is a dark green with a mustard color combination, beautiful pattern, lovely design. The next is going to be maroon with mustard. Yes, maroon with mustard, lovely combo again, beautiful maroon with mustard. The next is going to be grey with white, lovely grey with beautiful white, lovely design. And the price of this saree is 620. This is again a different design in the zigzag pattern in the same Sungudi sarees. All the sarees which you are going to see today is going to be Sungudi sarees. A beautiful wax pattern design in a zigzag pattern. Both the sides we have a nice wax printed border, and the body is going to be like this in zigzag model. Lovely design. Look really nice and class, and these zigzags are always my favorite. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the sari is all 5.2 meters. We don't have blouse for these saris. This is all without blouse. Such a beautiful soft material, 100 counts, and the price of this sari is 620. In the same pattern, this is a navy blue with an ananda blue combination. Lovely design, beautiful color, lovely pattern. This is navy blue with ananda blue. The next color in the same lot is going to be dark green with mustard combination. Lovely pattern again. We are trying to show you the full sari so that you could take a screenshot then. Dark green with nice dark bottle green with mustard. The next is going to be a lovely combination. Maroon with mustard. Beautiful maroon with mustard. Lovely color combo. The next in the same same design. This is a Sumati green. That's how they generally call it. This is more of a peacock green. Lovely design. The next is going to be brown with white. Lovely brown with white. Very, very pretty color. The next is dark Nagaparam with pink color combo. Dark Nagaparam with pink. Since I have lots of colors, I am just showing you like this, where you could see the colors in depth. This is pink with white. Again a very pretty color. The next is going to be a very, very dark coffee brown with mustard. Lovely color combo. Very, very different color combo. Dark brown with mustard in the zigzag pattern. Next is going to be a lovely grey. Grey with white. Beautiful color and lovely design. Grey with white. And the last color combo in the same pattern is violet, dark violet. Violet with white. Beautiful violet with white color combination, and the price of this saree is 620. This is again a very lovely design of the spiral pattern design. Beautiful design in the Sungudi saree. Both the sides we have a nice contrast border and red color combination in the wax print, and throughout the body we have a beautiful spiral design running along the body of the saree. Looks very pretty, zoin like that. Nice design. And this is the pallu of the saree. Pretty pallu. And these sarees are 5.5 meters, no blouse for these sarees, and the price of this saree is 620. In the same spiral pattern design, we have some other lovely color combination. I'll show you the other colors. This is a beautiful pink and white combination. Very, very pretty color. Beautiful pink and white. The next is going to be brown. Nice brown, like no very earthly colors. I like brown actually. Brown with white. It's more earthly colors, look really nice. Brown with white. The next is going to be the evergreen. ever loving color, maroon with white, mustard, maroon with mustard. The next is going to be dark green, lovely dark green with mustard, almost a bottle green. Looks really pretty, like these colors and the designs and the work. I really wonder how they all work with the hot wax to make these beautiful designs. These weavers really deserve something good. Grey with white, beautiful color combo, grey with white. The next is going to be dark brown with mustard, dark brown with mustard, beautiful dark brown with mustard color combination. All these sarees which I'm showing you right now is all priced at 620. All these wax prints are 620. Beautiful one. This is Vadamalli with white, Vadamalli, magenta, however we call it. This is navy blue with Ananda blue. Lovely color combo. Class color. Beautiful shade. Navy blue with Ananda blue. Next is green Sumati Pachai or peacock green, however we call it, with white color combo. And the price of this saree is 620. The next is a lovely Nagapada color with pink combo. Nagapadam with pink. What a wow combination. I think in early days most of mother would have had this color combo in pattu saree. It's a very traditional color combo. I remember my mom having a pattu saree in that color combo. This is a violet with white color combo. Violet with white. Lovely color combo. And the price of this saree is 620. This is again a lovely design, bandhani design in the Sungudi saree. Very beautiful design. We have a small kutti saree in both the sides of the saree. This is a very traditional type of Rudraksha pet. Have a closer look of the border. A beautiful small Rudraksha pet border. Very pretty zari border. Like lots of people usually ask, we want really small zari border in the Sungudi pattern. So we are trying to get this design, do this design. A beautiful bandhani design running along the body. It's a navy blue with an Ananda blue combination. And the pallu of the saree is this beautiful bandhani pattern design in the pallu. And the price of this saree is 580. In the same zari border pattern, we have some other lovely color combination. This is a navy blue with a green color combination. Beautiful combo, lovely design. Very pretty. We have a small zari border on the ends. This is navy blue with green, more of a light peacock green. The next is a dark green with mustard combo. Very class design. Looks really pretty. Small bandhani design, the typical Chungudi design. Very pretty color, lovely design. Dark green with mustard. The next is a beautiful grey. It's more of a dark bluish grey. In the bluish grey itself, it's a very dark shade. Beautiful color in that white color Chungudi. The next is going to be a sorry, lovely Vadamalli with white. Vadamalli magenta, how we call it, with white color combo. Beautiful pattern. The next is going to be a Nagapadam with pink. Again a lovely design and a beautiful print. Lovely color. The next is going to be pink with white. Beautiful pink with white color combo. Lovely design. And the last in the color in the set is brown with mustard, dark coffee brown with mustard. Beautiful color combo, lovely design. Dark brown with mustard color combination, and the price of these sarees are 580. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase the saree, to grab your sarees, just take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. Do it immediately. Grab your sarees. We have lots of multiple pieces, but make it fast and get yours. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.